To fix this problem, we're going to have to uninstall and reinstall GeForce Now. So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to search for NVIDIA. You want to close everything that will come up here. So you're going to click on it and then click on End Task. I'm not going to do it myself because it's going to mess up my recording, but in your case, you're going to close everything that says NVIDIA on it. Click on it and then click on End Task. Now you're going to type in this box right here, you're going to type in Now. If you see like GeForce Now, NVIDIA Container Now, anything like this, then you're going to close that as well. You're going to click on it and then click on End Task. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in %local app data %sign. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find NVIDIA Corporation, double click on this. And now you're going to find the GeForce Now folder. You're going to delete this. So you're going to click on it one time and then click on delete. Delete that folder. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to delete GeForce Now. So you're going to scroll down till you find GeForce Now. Once you find GeForce Now, you're going to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. And then you want to uninstall GeForce Now. And then when you uninstall it, I'll be leaving a link down below in the description to re-download it again. You could just re-download it again. This should now fix your problem.